So, maxon, yeah. Now these characters have bought out Red Giant. They've bought out Pixelogic. They've bought out some incredible companies. Now every time I want to use something, a Red Giant plugin, whether it be in After Effects or Photoshop or Premiere, whatever it is, every time I'm completely in a zone trying to work on a project and want to use one of these plugins nowadays, it tells me I can't. It tells me I have to load up some bloatware in order to be able to use it. So, what do? You load up this pile of shit that Maxon came up with. You load it up, and this, without fail, you get this. Oh, we're sorry you're having difficulties. Now, obviously, you can see this character. He's got gelled hair, right? He's sitting on his Herman Miller socks thread of 8,000, yeah? This is a big, heavy-duty one, this one. And it is, please run the repair service. It's not the repair service. I don't know why this is here. When you do that, nothing happens, okay? It brings you back here. So they've got one false pile of here that you got to do. Then restart this right? And so I'm out of my zone now, right? I'm completely destroyed. And now I'm in a bad mood. So that doesn't help any artists, of course not. If this does not work, try downloading and installing the latest. Now this pile of shit, this is the one that works, right? Bring this up, right? Download Maxon app. Now I've got to download the entire app again. Every time without fail, I'm... So you download their... Right? You download their shit. Open it up, run the pile of, yeah, run it all over again, start the app installer. Fantastic, well done. The thought process behind this, please quit the Maxon app and try again. Okay, let's at least we get to kill this piece of shit. At least you get to put it out of its misery for a few seconds. So now you want to install it again. You gotta wait, right? At this point, all creativity is gone. It's gone. It doesn't come back. You gotta try and get this taste out of your mouth, right? So you gotta wait. Maxon, okay? Makers of 4D. There we go. Once a normal company. Pretty good company, actually. You know, something that was better than some others. Now destroyed. The name of Maxon completely wrecked in my mind, right? I don't want to touch this anymore. And now that they've taken over ZBrush, I won't upgrade it because I know that they're going to implement something like this, right? I haven't heard or anything. I don't know. But I know this shit will pass on to their other apps, right? So if this happened in ZBrush, I mean... You've killed the artist, right? Amazing. Somebody that sells tools, probably done with some right? I mean, this isn't a program. Okay, so now it's updated, right? I don't know what to press here. Just hopefully it all works, right? Now I can go back into Premiere or After Effects, and I am allowed to use the shit I bought. Now I'm allowed to use the shit I bought. Try and use your heads, right? Payers get punished, right? Payers are getting punished for the shit because you've got some with a 50,000 threaded Armani suit running this telling us, oh, we need something or we might lose a cent. No, you this makes people go get it some other fucking way because you're right? So fix it. Don't let some with gold cufflinks, you know, little embossed images of cryptocurrency or something on his cufflinks, you know, gold-studded earrings, hair smoothed back with the back of the comb so it gets extra smooth, you know, a little tattoo of mom or something on his chest or something, you know, mom loves cryptocurrency. You know, Dogecoin. I don't understand this, man. You know, Oakley's on or Ray-Bans, just above the brow, just a little bit off the nose. These people shouldn't be running this or giving what this should look like or how this should work. Why are you putting some in a suit in charge of how artists should work? I don't understand this. And this is clearly an idea from one of those assholes, because no one else would do this. Nothing with a creative mind or a non-corrupted mind would think of this, right? Only something broken, weak, wipe that dust controls them. Only that can come up with this kind of a solution. So maybe go back, think about this bullshit that you've presented us with. Wipe that disgusting maxon, yeah, the name maxon. When I see that name now, that wipe. I don't want to use the shit you made, and now you've taken ZBrush completely hostage. It's all gonna go to hell, right? So now what do? We wait for others to do it better. We wait for others to make something that's usable. Hopefully Blender rises out of the ashes and takes on this, which it is. I don't understand why you do this, man. My God.